Hi, my name is Laura and I'm a cosmetic formulator. I create skincare and cosmetics, and I focus on developing gluten and paraben-free cosmetic solutions using premium organic ingredients, gentle, effective formulas, and methods for achieving the healthiest looking skin possible. I hope to create and expand my current product line. I want to bring others along with me who have a passion for creating natural skincare. Initially, I began my first YouTube channel, Naturally Gracious, to document my progress as I began construction of my in-home skincare laboratory and product line, and to encourage others beginning their own skincare businesses. But I found that one channel was not enough. So on this channel now, you will find videos to better equip you in taking care of your skin, creating your own skincare and cosmetics. What is the cause and solution for common cosmetic skincare concerns? Which ingredients and application methods will best suit your skin type? My vision for this channel is for you to love the way your skin looks and feels, and be confident in beginning your own skincare business because you are making a difference in the way we care for the skin, not using harmful ingredients to alter appearances. This may not be something you hear a lot in the cosmetic industry, but hey, this is not the average cosmetic business. This YouTube channel is for you if you're interested in skincare, desiring to improve the look and feel of your skin, and open to natural alternatives in caring for your skin. Subscribe to this channel, then click the bell icon and enjoy new videos every week.